Hello guys, what's up everyone, off random here, and today we are gonna brutally rate all the prime flavors. So, first we are gonna go with Metamoon. Metamoon is a good flavor, it had a different taste, but honestly I didn't like it that much because it gave me a little bit soreness at the end, which I don't like, so I didn't like this. I'm gonna rate this 6 on 10. Next is grape flavor. Grape flavor, I found it really good. I found that the taste was very similar to actual grapes, and the sweetness was also really good. I'm gonna rate this 9 on 10 because it was really good for me. This will be my favorite till now. Next, lemonade. Yellow lemonade. Okay. This I didn't like it that much, but the flavor was good. I mean, the people who like lemon will actually love it, but I didn't like it that much, so I'm gonna rate it a 7 out of 10. Next, tropical punch. Tropical punch was very exotic. It gave many flavors together. It was good, but I didn't like it that much compared to its other flavors. So yes, I'm gonna give it an 8 out of 10. But people who like mixed fruit and people who like all the mix of all the fruits will actually love it. Next, strawberry watermelon. The new, I think it's a new flavor. I think it released last year. I love it. Actually, I liked it really good. The combination between strawberry and watermelon, I was just wondering how better it could be, but it's actually good. They made a pretty good combo, guys. They made a pretty good combo. So I'll give it a 9.1 out of 10, being more precise. Next is orange. Okay, orange, I thought it could be better. It gave the orange flavor, but I expected more from it. Like if you have drank the Tata Gluco, like that's classic orange flavor. And I expected more of those Quality Walls orange ice cream, if you have had that, like orange stick ice, that has a classic orange flavor. I thought I will get that from this, but it's fine. It was good. I'm not saying it's trash, but based on all the flavors, I think this is the second least favorite of mine. I think I'll give it a 6.2 out of 10. Oh my god, now the 3 best flavors, guys. The 3 best flavors. I'm gonna go with Ice Pop. Okay, Ice Pop I really love because it gives that taste of Ice Pop, and when you drink it, you actually get that summer feels. Like you're drinking something cold in summer and you actually get those feels from this. And this is actually good. I love this. And I think I will give this a 9.3 out of 10. Last 2 flavors, guys, the OG flavors, and you guys know that it's just amazing. These both I think are the best sellers of Prime, and they both are just so crazy, guys. They are just so crazy. They are like S tier for me. Now, lemon lime, green color. Oh my gosh, I love this. Like I love the taste of it, and I like that sweetness in it. I like a little bit of sourness which it gives when you have that first sip, and then when you keep having it, it tells you to sip it again. It has a callback in it, which is really good. So I'm gonna rate this the first 10, guys. The first 10 on 10. Green color lemon lime. Raspberry. Guys, there is no other flavor. I will just have this always. And this and green, that's it. Like I don't have any other flavors that much. Strawberry watermelon sometimes, but blue the most. I have this the most. It's just amazing, guys. Like once you have that one sip, just keep having it and you end up having the whole bottle. And tell me if you don't agree, guys. Comment your answers right now about how much will you actually rate blue raspberry. I know like I'm being like a little over exaggerator, but still it's crazy. I love this flavor amongst others, and this is the best, guys. This is the best Prime has made. and it's really good. So just like that, we are done with 9 flavors of Prime. I want to taste other flavors, but unfortunately, I don't get all the flavors in India. And tag Logan Paul KSI that guys manufactured in India because there are a lot of fans here also. So that's it for now. But I guess when the new flavors are out, I'll give those ratings as well. I mean, when they come to India, obviously. Or when I go outside India and when I see, maybe I'll buy it and I'll give you guys a review about how it is. So that's it for today, guys. And hope you liked it. Comment on what your ratings for each flavor is, and I will be reading them and I'll be replying to them. So till the next time, Off Random is out. Bye. Peace.